Reacting acids with metals. Simple dilute acids react with metals depending on their positions in the reactivity series. Dilute acids are acids in which the concentration of the water mixed is higher than the concentration of the acid itself. So it says to be diluted because there's more water added. So these acids react with metals depending on their positions in the reactivity series. In this table, we have the metals and how they're classified according to their reactivity series. These metals react with dilute acids depending on their positions. Why? Well, metals below hydrogen in the series don't react with dilute acids. So hydrogen is right here in the reactivity series, and the metals below it don't react with dilute acids. For example, copper, silver, and gold. These metals do not react with dilute acids. However, metals above hydrogen in the reactivity series react to produce hydrogen gas. So metals above hydrogen react with the acids to produce hydrogen gas. As you can see in the table, the metals above hydrogen react with acids to produce hydrogen gas. The higher the metal is in the reactivity series, the more vigorous the reaction. So whenever the metal is higher than hydrogen in the reactivity series, the more vigorous or strong the reaction will be. For example, if iron is reacting with an acid, the reaction will be strong. But if sodium, which is very high, reacts with an acid, then the reaction will be extremely strong and vigorous. So the higher the metal is in the reactivity series, the more vigorous the reaction. This was a summary on how reactions occur between acids, simple dilute acids, and metals, depending on their positions in the reactivity series.